CakePHP development is a robust platform for creating web applications, and as businesses seek to harness its potential, the demand for skilled CakePHP developers is on the rise. CakePHP's automation and backward compatibility features make it a preferred choice for developers, allowing for rapid and efficient web application development. Despite its advantages, CakePHP users may encounter issues, which is why assembling a competent development team is crucial for success. The hiring process for CakePHP developers is detailed, with a focus on understanding client requirements and matching them with the right talent. India has become a hub for recruiting CakePHP developers, offering a blend of expertise, cost-effectiveness, and a strong work ethic. Cost factors for hiring CakePHP engineers include experience level, project complexity, and the engagement model chosen. CakePHP developers possess a deep understanding of the framework and PHP, essential for crafting long-lasting technology solutions. There are two primary types of CakePHP developers: those who work on innovative new projects, and those who specialize in migration from other frameworks. The framework's high level of automation, cost and time savings, and backward compatibility are key advantages that make CakePHP a top choice for web development. CakePHP is versatile, catering to both startups and established corporations, and is poised for significant growth in 2024. CakePHP was designed to simplify PHP web application development, inspired by the MVC architectural pattern for efficient data management. For beginners, installing CakePHP using Composer is the recommended approach, setting the stage for a user-friendly content management system creation. CakePHP's components, behaviors, and helpers offer developers the tools to build robust web applications with reusable code and smooth functionality. New CakePHP users often face challenges such as adhering to conventions, avoiding overly complicated code, and not repeating themselves in code. The hiring process for CakePHP developers involves understanding client vision, reviewing resumes, conducting interviews, and choosing the right engagement model. Flexibility in hiring models allows for effective project management and cost control, with options like fixed price, dedicated developers, and hourly basis. Hiring CakePHP developers from India offers the advantage of having a reliable technical partner to tackle business challenges using open-source technologies. CakePHP's popularity among developers is due to its minimal coding requirements and comprehensive tools for application logic development. The framework's large community and extensive documentation make it a stable and flexible choice for taking businesses online. Choosing a CakePHP developer allows for the creation of industry-specific apps and an enhanced shopping experience for customers. In conclusion, selecting the right CakePHP development company is essential for leveraging the framework's full potential and achieving digital transformation.